Welcome to our channel, Nourish Nation, where today we're diving into the remarkable health benefits of almonds. These small, nutrient-packed nuts are more than just a snack. They are a powerhouse of essential nutrients and offer numerous health benefits. Let's explore why incorporating almonds into your diet can be a game changer. Almonds are rich in healthy fats, fiber, protein, magnesium, and vitamin E, making them a nutritious choice for maintaining heart health. Consuming almonds regularly can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, their antioxidant properties can help protect your body from oxidative stress. For those looking to manage their weight, almonds can be a valuable ally. Despite being high in calories, research indicates that almonds can aid in weight loss due to their satiating properties. A handful of almonds can keep you full longer, reducing the chances of unhealthy snacking. Almonds are also beneficial for blood sugar control. The presence of magnesium, a mineral involved in blood sugar regulation, makes almonds an excellent choice for people with diabetes or those at risk. Including almonds in a balanced diet can lead to improved blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity. The high vitamin E content in almonds is great for skin health. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that nourishes the skin and protects it from the damaging effects of UV rays. Including almonds in your diet can lead to a healthier, more radiant complexion. For bone health, almonds provide a good source of calcium, essential for maintaining strong, healthy bones. Regular almond consumption can contribute to better bone density and reduce the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Almonds also support brain health. They contain riboflavin and L-carnitine, nutrients that boost brain activity and may reduce the risk of neurological disorders. Incorporating almonds into your diet can enhance memory and cognitive function. Lastly, almonds support gut health. The fiber content in almonds aids digestion and promotes the growth of healthy gut bacteria, improving overall digestive health. Incorporating just a handful of almonds into your daily routine can significantly impact your overall well-being. So, next time you're searching for a healthy snack, reach for almonds and enjoy their incredible health benefits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.